Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, and on the right, the Loiley drone. Which one will reign supreme? Buckle up, because it's about to get aerial. Let's kick things off with the price. The Holy Stone HS720 comes in at a cool $249. Not bad for a drone that sounds like it could double as a spaceship. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone is a bit more budget-friendly at $99. So, if you're like me and you spent all your money on avocado toast and overpriced coffee, Loiley's got your back. Next, let's talk about camera quality. Holy Stone rocks a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. That's right, folks, 4K. You'll be shooting videos so clear, you'll see every blade of grass and every regret in your ex's eyes. Reviewers love the camera quality and stability even in windy conditions. Loiley, on the other hand, gives you a respectable HD 1080p camera. Not too shabby, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. Still, for $99 you can't really complain. Now, let's see what these bad boys can do in the sky with flight features. Holy Stone has GPS-assisted intelligent flight. It's like having a tiny pilot, making sure you don't lose your drone. It follows you, flies along set paths, and even circles around points of interest. Talk about a personal paparazzi. Reviewers appreciate the advanced features and ease of use. Loiley, though, is no slouch. It's got one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Plus, you can control it with an app, voice commands, and even gestures. Reviewers find it very user-friendly and versatile. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. All right, let's talk battery life. Holy Stone boasts 52 minutes of flight time with its 2 intelligent batteries. That's almost enough time to make a sandwich, eat it, and still capture your neighbor's cat doing something hilarious. However, some reviewers note the long charging time of 5 to 7 hours. Loiley gives you 25 to 30 minutes, which is pretty good for a drone that fits in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate the dual battery system for extended flying. I mean, what more do you expect? It's not a Tesla. How about build and portability? Holy Stone is foldable and comes with a well-fitted carrying case. It's like the James Bond of drones. Reviewers praise its solid build quality. Meanwhile, Loiley is so compact and lightweight you can fit it in your pocket. It's like the drone version of those space-saving vacuum bags. Reviewers love its portability. Which is cooler? You decide. Last but not least, user-friendliness. Holy Stone is pretty straightforward with multi-sensors, one-key start, stop, and even an electric fence. It's like it's saying, "Hey, I got you, buddy." Reviewers find it easy to assemble and fly. Loiley, however, is the ultimate beginner's drone. It's got propeller guards, spare fan blades, and even remote control batteries. And let's not forget the 24-hour technical support. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and excellent customer service. It's like having a drone that comes with its own personal butler. Reviewers generally find the Holy Stone HS720 to be a feature-rich, stable, and high-quality drone, especially appreciated for its advanced flight features and camera quality. The Loiley drone, on the other hand, is highly praised for its affordability, user-friendliness, and versatility, making it a great choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. Holy Stone HS720 versus Loiley drone. Will you go for the high-end, feature-packed Holy Stone or the budget-friendly, ultra-portable Loiley? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd pick and why. And remember, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See ya!